I am Janhavi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome to my YouTube channel. If you people are new over here, then you can start off with subscribing, and if you people are not, then of course just keep watching the video, yeah? So what are we gonna be discussing about today? So we are gonna be talking about the easiest and the fastest way to improve your fluency. But wait a minute, I mean, of course, the title says live webinar with me on fluency. So this is not a live webinar, this is a video. So in this video, we are going to be discussing about the live webinar and what we are going to be discussing in the live webinar regarding fluency. Of course, now I seem like the, that Friends series when everyone finds out like they don't know that we know. Okay, blah blah blah. Let's keep moving on. So I know I usually post videos on like Saturday, but today is Wednesday. So what is this all about? So on Saturday we're gonna be having a live webinar on my app Janhavi, Janhavi space Panwar. It's kind of confusing. So we're going to be talking about the easiest and the fastest way to improve your fluency. And under that, the reason I'm doing this live webinar again is because so many of you has been asking me on my socials, on my YouTube channel, on my app, when can we expect the live webinar? So not too far, just like 3 days away. So be patient, and I'm also going to be patient because I can be a pretty impatient person. So in that live webinar, we're going to be talking about everything regarding fluency and how you can improve your fluency. So we are going to be talking about a 12-hour method. What is this 12-hour method? So this is the method which I used when I was learning English at first, because nobody liked talking like this. What do I like? I forgot about it. I can't do it. So nobody, of course, that just ruins everything, and nobody likes to talk like that. So what are we going to do is we're going to be talking about the 12-hour method. So under that 12-hour method, it consists of what? First, basic words. Now, I know what your people are thinking, oh, she's going to teach us basic vocabulary. No, I'm not. I'm not teaching you any vocabulary. This is something that you're going to be finding out by yourself. Just basic words and how most of the people are already familiar with basic words. Moving on, then we got small sentences. So what are these small sentences I'm talking about? So we're going to be talking about how to create small sentences, but while we are creating those, how we take those little breaks while we're talking, while talking, so we're also going to be talking about that so that we can just speak like butter, no breaks, smooth. Next, moving on, we're going to be talking about paragraphs. Like, of course, if you gotta build a fluency, you have to talk in a paragraph, or you have to just speak, like there is a paragraph, and a paragraph usually consists of like 5 or 10 sentences. So how to create that. Then moving on, we're going to be talking about some random topics, like how to speak on random topics. If you're sitting in your room, start speaking on your room. If you're sitting on a chair, start speaking on your chair. So we are going to be talking about those random topics. Now, what problems are we going to discuss? Now, with fluency, people who don't have a good fluency, what are their problems? So first problem is words do not come to mind. Now people usually are like, oh, we know English, like we know about everything, but whenever it's our turn to speak, so we just keep forgetting words. And what is that problem? There is some problem with the brightness in my camera today, and I don't know what's happening, but bear with it a little bit. So words do not come to our mind. We're looking at that person's eyes, like whoever is talking with us, and we go like, oh. And in the back of your mind thinking, what the hell was it? So, of course, we don't want to do that, right? So, words do not come to mind. So, how to keep those words in your mind? We're going to be talking about that. Next, it's for those people who think grammar is a big concern. Of course, now while we're talking, we're always like, is this correct? Should we use was here or should we use is? Should we use was or were? Will or shall? Is it going to be present perfect, or is it going to be present, just normal present? Is it going to be past perfect continuous, or is it going to be future continuous? So we are going to be talking about that too. Like grammar, it can be a big concern for too many people. Next, we got, forgetting words a lot. Of course, people forget so many words while they're talking, so we're also going to be talking about that. The other problem we're going to be talking about is thinking while we're talking. oh, this is such a big concern for so many people, is that when we're talking, so in the back of our mind we're thinking, okay, so this should be the answer, like we're translating from our native language to English. So we're also going to be talking about that. Then, for whom is this course, like this live webinar? So for what kind of people? Now, it is for those people who want to be fluent. I mean, that's pretty obvious. It's for those people who do not want to take any breaks while they're talking. It's for those people who keep forgetting words while they're talking. It's for those people who take breaks while they're talking, and for those people who think grammar is a big thing. So of course, if you want to know about this 12-hour method to improve your fluency, it's basically the easiest and the fastest method I've ever come across to improve our fluency. So people, go to my app, and the link is in the description box below. Go to my app, download it, and after downloading it, just enroll yourself up in the live webinar on Saturday, 6 p.m. It's going to be an interactive one. There's also going to be a question and answers session. So, yeah, stay excited. And the course is only for 99 rupees. And I know it's pretty amazing, of course. But, of course, many of you are also going to complain, oh my God, why is this happening again? But, you know, just enroll yourself up, because there are limited seats. Many people have already done it, like people who have already downloaded the app. Now it's your turn. So go and enroll yourself up, and we're going to be talking about all of this stuff. So let's be patient, and let me be patient. So that's it for this video, guys. I'm going to see you all in the live webinar. Go and enroll yourself up. It's going to be an amazing, amazing live session. I mean, of course, I'm going to be taking it. I'm not a narcissist, but we're going to be talking about a lot of things. So yes, I'm going to see you all over there. This is it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And yeah, see you in the next vid or the live webinar. Bye, everyone. Stay safe.